Okay guys, we're going to go over how to remove applications from your Orbic Magic 5G phone. Pretty much the same for almost all phones. But you're going to go to one of these apps that they have pre-installed on here. You're going to hover, click, or push in and hold, click on App Info, and then click the uninstall. Probably best to do this before you go getting a bunch of your apps installed on it. That way you can remove the stuff that you definitely don't want, which is the stuff that is pre-installed, which, I mean, seriously, not real sure why everyone always seems to put all these things on our phones. The Discovery Bar, I think I need that one. Chime, I think I need that one for something. I'm not sure. I've had it on my other phones. I'm not sure. My accounts are Straight Talk stuff. Pandora is radio, so might as well keep that stuff. Anything in tools that I don't want? Nope, nothing in tools. And it's alright. I can keep that stuff. I can keep that stuff. Go ahead and scroll up to go to your apps, and of course you'll find a whole bunch more here. And hopefully it'll let us uninstall most of these as well. There will be some things that you can't uninstall. We want weather. Let's see here. Okay, just go to bank. No idea what it's for. So, I mean, pre-installed on the phone. I've never used it. Don't really care to learn how to use it. Don't really want it. And that's how you uninstall things that you don't want on your phone. So now I feel comfortable in going and updating all my information to where it's going to download everything that I want now that I've got stuff that I don't want removed from it. Bye.